New official Neuron Budget merch is now available. NOAB-02, green versus red, which is what I am rocking right now. This merch design is something that I've been working on for a while now. I first teased it over 4 months ago, but now it's finally officially launched, so I hope you're all excited and hyped to rep it. I just want to make this quick video to announce this, as well as give you a little bit of a backstory of how this design came about. The last merch design didn't have any iconic PC hardware in it, so I wanted to change that this time around. Hardware that's instantly recognizable, but not just like a plain image of it. I wanted it to be utilized in a unique way and thought, how cool would it be to have graphics cards being utilized as weapons by giant mechas? I mean, if you look at graphics cards, it's pretty much shaped like a weapon, and their fans are reminiscent of what you'd see on like a plasma or a laser-based weapon to keep it from overheating. So that right there was the basis of the design. I came up with a super rough concept, and when I say super rough, it's literally something that looks like I copied and pasted things into MS Paint, but I did that to get the general composition of what I was envisioning. I took that and hired an artist to help bring this idea to life. From there, they sketched it up, and we had quite a bit of back and forth, tweaking and revising the image, and eventually ended up on this right here. As you can probably tell, this is not the final design, and let me explain. Originally, I asked the artist to use the RX-78-2 Gundam as the front mecha. It's super recognizable, fans of the series would love it. I thought it would be cool to bring together like both worlds, anime and PC tech. I've seen tons of other content creators do this, whether it be with Dragon Ball, Attack on Titan, Naruto, merch that take heavy inspiration from these super popular IPs in anime. So initially I thought I'd do the same. But then as time went on, I started getting cold feet the more I thought about it. I might have been okay, like there was likely some avenue in terms of fair use or parody or being transformative enough that would have protected me. But the last thing that I wanted to have happened was for Bandai to come after me. It just didn't feel like it was worth it to take that risk. So ultimately, I made the decision to scrap half of the design, and I had to go back to the artist asking if we could change it, and I paid them more money to redo it. This time around, a different mecha was referenced. There shouldn't be any issues here, and that's how we got to the final image with the NOAB-02 stamped below to commemorate this being the second design in my line of merch. I did another round of sample testing, and I gave Teespring a shot because I heard that they improved a lot from where they were at a few years ago when I first sample tested from them, and I was not satisfied with the quality. While I did find that the quality improved, Bonfire still came out on top for me in terms of color accuracy, image sharpness, and overall print quality, and the garments that they use feel much softer and premium. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna stick with Bonfire from here on out. I was able to recruit a few friends to help with the merch promo, so here it is being repped in different colors by different body types. I want to give a huge thanks to Zach, Matt, and Mark for helping to model the merch. If you like what you just saw and are interested in picking something up for yourself, while also directly supporting the channel in the process, links to the merch store will be down in the description below. If you do happen to pick something up, please take a picture and tag me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'd love to see people out there repping it. Channel members, be sure to check my channel community tab for the member-specific posts with merch discount codes. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in the comments as well as in the next one. Bye.